we had a bit of a bug in the last program we wrote. On the publisher side, we were sending topic and payload messages, even though the conflate option was set on the subscriber side. In this case, the topic itself was actually a payload. So in each iteration of that while loop, we were sending two payloads to the subscriber. And to show you what's going on, I'll modify the output. And there you can see that what was the topic previously is now a full on payload. So the moral of the story here is that with a lot of these settings with ZeroMQ, you sort of have to be careful with what you're getting into. They can have these weird sort of effects in your program where things start behaving a bit strangely if you're not careful, and that just comes with time and making enough mistakes. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and hit the like button. Thank you.